Guys, this is Jim over here at SteamingRedHotPicks.com. Hope you guys are doing well. I want to give you guys a brief update on the action today for BLAP, blast applications. Today is December 14th, 2010. And as you can see today we did have a down day. The 50 DMA right here, as you can see, is at 0053. And so we did close a little below the 50 DMA. So technically, yes, it is broken. Support now is resistance at 53, but since it's pretty much within range, so if you want to be a real statistician, yes, I would say it technically is broken. But I do want to point out the fact today we had very low volume too. Barely shy under 2 million shares traded today, and as compared to the last several sessions, it's considerably lower than it has been. So. Today was probably marked with some sellers that just didn't want to wait any longer, that sort of thing, which is pretty typical in a penny stock, and that tends to drive the price down. So, and since we really didn't have much news today, other than the fact we had the CEO interview last night at CEO Central, really the company didn't put out any kind of news today. So I think that's kind of what you saw as a result of today's action. So also the RSI here, it's still within that power zone. If you will, between 30 and 70, so it's definitely still in that power zone. We still like to see it like that. It did slip below 50 at 46.54 today, which typically would lend toward a kind of a bearish move, but it's still pretty darn close here. So this thing could still turn around very easily. Also, wanted to point out the MACD right here. As you can see, the histogram is starting to head toward the south here a little bit. But I certainly have seen histograms go up like this peak, hit the line, and then just head straight north again. So nothing to concern about here, considering, especially given the fact that we had such a low volume today. Yes, we did have a red candle today, but you didn't have the gigantic, enormous volume, which would definitely signal, in my opinion, a definite turnaround to the south, to the bearish side. I did like, however, the slope of stochastics here. It is headed south, which would indicate consolidation period, which is healthy. Slip below 50, but you can see these things do want to. It looks like they're going to kind of pinch. So if we have any kind of action more upwards, we may expect a pinch and then head north, which would indicate some sort of reversal. So again. I think the stock's in good shape right now. Definitely had some healthy consolidation, and as you can see here through the line, it's definitely the trend is your friend here. It's definitely increasing over the last few months. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video presentation. I just wanted to remind you that Steaming Red Hot Picks is not an investment advisor nor a financial advisor, and no information provided here is to be interpreted as a suggestion to buy or sell securities. Have a great day. Bye bye now.